If I were to host a private dinner party or supper club for some girlfriends, I would dish up this mixed berry galette for dessert because it is absolutely delicious. So I start off by making a frangipane paste, which I'm going to show you where I add to, but there's almond meal, salted butter, some lemon zest, some almond essence, and vanilla bean paste. So we set that aside. And I'm using some fresh mixed berries, but you could use stone fruit, you could use apple, whatever you like. And we've added some sugar, corn flour, and lemon juice to that. Set it aside. And I'm going to use the Rolls Royce of short crust pastries, and it's a Creme brand because we work smarter, not harder. It is a perfect size. It is a perfect thickness, and it bakes so much better than any other store-bought short crust pastry that I've used. So I've put it out on a baking tray with baking paper and just trimmed the edges so we got a rough rectangle. We've added that frangipane paste to the base, the mixed berry mixture, and I've brushed the border with some melted butter, some sugar, and some almond flakes. We've baked it and it is delicious, and you're going to serve it up with either a dollop of cream or my favorite, vanilla bean ice cream. And I kid you not, you will love this. Everyone will love it. It is light, it is fresh, it is decadent and sensational. So this is what I would serve up for a little girlies get together. What do you guys think?